Let me declare this in record, bafowethu, nginibingelele nina bakwethu. Kulomkhosi wokukhipha uPresident Ramaphosa ngomhla ka-9 August obalulekile. It is not informed by personal vendettas or any quarrels against him that are emanating from a personal vendetta against the president. I personally do not have anything against him. All I do have against him, it is informed as a matter of principle that he has failed the country, has failed the nation. And the call for this march is informed by the future generation to whom we owe them a debt that we must pay in full. It's a serious call. A call to which everyone must respond to. That's why I said there are 3 things I would like to mention. And these things are: 1, ayona imarch ye MK le esicelayo eyabantu baseningizimu Afrika abantsundu abaswele abahluphekayo, eyabantu baseningizimu Afrika abangasenalo elinye ithemba, eyabantu abaseningizimu Afrika asebekhathele ukulidwa umhlonishwa Ramaphosa, noma uyi-EFF, noma uyinkatha, noma uyi-Freedom Front Plus. But there is no African who's a Freedom Front Plus. No, I would be lying to say there is any. Noma ke uye uKhongolose, noma ke uyiwe umkhonto wesizwe, imashi yabantu le bakithi abantsundu abangobomdabu kwelikaMthaniya noma ke kwelaseningizimu Afrika ngoxese kwelikaMthaniya. Therefore, it is important and very imperative indeed ukuthi siyahlangana sonke siphusha lo mzabalazo ukukhipha uRamaphosa ngoba ufailile. And once again, it is not informed by tribalism. NgingumZulu phaqa, mhlawumbe futhi ngiyayigqaja ngalokho. Angazi futhi ukuthi kube ngangemZulu ngangayini. But given that is the case, le march is not informed by me being a Zulu person or all of us. I believe all of us are not the Zulus who are supposedly believing that we must march to the Union Building on the 9th of August. Ingakho ngithi umuntu waseLimpopo ageze ongumvenda ezosho ukuthi President Ramaphosa, we are tired, you have failed the nation. Ayikho tribalistic le march. The social movers are called to partake. The vendors are called to partake. The Ngunis are called to partake. Oh, social nguve vendors are there. They are also called to partake. As a result, ngifuna ukubeka nje lo mkhosi owabantu bafowethu. Singaconfusewa abantu. Ngisho uMaleme ngaba khona. Will welcome and appreciate that. Ngisho uMosimayimane ngaba khona. In as much as I don't, okay, let me not say much, it's black. Ngisho uZuma ngaba khona. Ngize ngathi noMbheki ngaba khona. Ngathi noMuhlante ngaba khona. Ngoba thina sikhathele singabantu. Sikhathele singabantu. Asizukudlala ke ama comments azolokhu efuna ukuthi sidignify ukuthi uRamaphosa wavotelwa abantu uzokhishwa ivote. Ngifuna ukukutshela nje one thing in passing. I don't want to talk about this. Kade kune strike France be strike ukuthi Burkina Faso has declared its own independence in their own terms, not in the terms defined by the Westerns. Abatholange independence ngokuthi they've got the right to vote. Bathathe izwe labo, bathathe ama resources zabo, ba revoke all the terms of trades which have kept them in slavery for the longest of time. Kuba nama sanctions akhulunywa wo Trump over Burkina Faso because they don't want to see a black child independent. So indaba ye vote, i-vote is system imposed over to us to be deemed as free, whereas we are still caged. There is no vote esizoskiphela uRamaphosa. Akafakwanga ngevote ufakwe ngocorruption. So ngakhishwa abantu. Don't want to go to that space. So nakho kubalekile ma comrade ukuthi le march ngayethu sonke futhi asiyithathele thina iy'nqumo ayina race le lokhuzana le march it cuts through all but mhlampe-ke for abantu abamhlophe-ke abakholelwa ukuthi is serving their interest mhlampe-ke ibona but nakho okunye-ke okubalulekile engikuphiwe umzilikazi kaMashobane ungitshelile ukuthi ngoba sesiyikhulumile nje le march ifanele iyorejistwa official sathatha-ke iy'nyathelo zokuyorejista le march ngoba sithi kuyilungelo lethu ukuthi sibe nemarsh nakho esikutholile okubalulekile ukuthi babuza ukuthi nibangaki nizosukelaphi bebuze ukuthi ninamalini khona ama-ambulensi amaphoyisa ama-traffic copper nazo zonke lezo zinto ithi-ke le nsizwa ngoba yona ingqondo yomthetho ummeli wami ithi sinelungelo esingenalo leli ilungelo lonxiwankulu kuphela ngoba uma ufuna ukumasha eNingizimu Afrika kufanele ube nemali yama-contingencies zonke lezi zinto abayibalile and ukungaphezu kwalokho they still reserve a right to deny ukuthi umashe ngithi-ke mina mmeli senze njani uthi-ke lo baba wakaMashobane ngitha-ke nimbheke lapha Music Power uthi kunento eningayenza kule marsh ukuze ibe yi-success ukuthi ningamashi kodwa nihambe ndawonye akekho umuntu obheka umuntu usuka eMaritzburg ehamba ku-N3 ebheke eGoli ukuthi uyaphi nomuntu olapha eCarton Center ogadile laba abantu abaphithizelayo sizohambisana nje abantu baye behambisane beye endaweni ezehlukene kodwa behambe uhambo olubhekene noma oluhambisanayo bekuyinto esibili engiyibonayo eyinselelo ukuthi ba-plan ukuthi le march officially beyi-reject on the basis ukuthi bathi ubani ozo-accounta ngawo wonke ama-damages they must be a person ozo-accounta or an entity or an organization they cannot be just ukuthi imashi inform abantu beyidecide ukuthi bakhathele ubani ozo-accounta lowo muntu fanele ube khona umuntu obalidayo ngithi mina it's an unled revolution we are leading us as the people we are leading ourselves to this journey yithi esikhathele njengoba ngibeka lezi zinto nje bafowethu ngenzela ukuthi kucace ukuthi ukuphumelela kwale march kusezandleni zethu sonke njengamaNingizimu Afrika akuhlangani nami akuhlangani mhlambe nommeli wami umzilikazi kaMashobane akuhlangani nomunye umuntu oyenye race uhlangana nathi nje sonke singabantu bafowethu asukume singabantu singaba amagwala singasatshiswa mina ngithanda lokhu ngisatshiswa ngithanda ukusatshiswa mhlawumbe angazi ukuthi yini kodwa ngithanda ukusatshiswa vele kucaceke ukuthi wenzakalani ngezwe lethu ngoba mina izwe lethu mina ngikhathele ukuhlezi ngibona umhlaba wethu uphethwe amabhunu wonke ngikhathele bafowethu hayi sekungamane kuthiwa-ke kuthiwenike la uhlaba ngiyawulawula lo mkhosi bafowethu hayibo